Breaking news at 5:30, a tsunami watch now along the west coast. We bring in First Alert Chief Meteorologist Nick Marianos to break this down. Nick, what are we seeing? And I'm assuming this is rare, right?
Yeah, well, right now we're getting reports of a powerful earthquake way on the other side of the Pacific, right? So right now we're looking to see if there's a tsunami that was triggered, and then subsequent warnings will follow. So the Tsunami Warning Center is watching this very carefully. But as of right now, a tsunami watch has been posted for the entire span of the U.S. West Coast. This does include the San Francisco Bay Area until further notice. So I'll zoom out here. You can see the watches do include the entire span of the coast of California, as well as Oregon and Washington State, from an earthquake registered as a preliminary magnitude 8.7 right here from the coast of Russia. So the tsunami alerts have been extended all the way across much of the Pacific. The state of Hawaii is under a tsunami warning right now. But again, the west coast of the United States, including the San Francisco Bay Area, is under a tsunami watch. So again, all this information is just coming out, and we'll continue to monitor that, let you know as soon as we report more, along with the reports of the buoys regarding confirmation whether or not tsunami was triggered from that 8.7 quake.
Get that information pretty soon. All right, Nick, thanks for the update on that.